What if I told you that your life, every relationship, every opportunity, every challenge, is a mirror reflecting who you are? Not the version you want to be, not the one you pretend to be, but the raw, unfiltered you. Sounds harsh, doesn't it? But stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand this universal truth, but also see how embracing it can transform your life. Today, we'll dive into the Hermetic principle often summarized as within, so without. But we're not just talking philosophy, we're talking real, practical personal growth. Let's explore why the world around you is a reflection of your inner world, and more importantly, how to change the reflection you don't like. Asterisk 1. The mirror principle, a reflection of you. Asterisk, let's start with the basics. The people, situations, and even the chaos in your life are mirrors. They reflect what's going on inside you. Ever notice how when you're stressed, everything seems to go wrong? Or when you're feeling confident, opportunities seem to appear out of nowhere? That's not a coincidence. Your energy, your mindset, and your inner state create a ripple effect that shapes how you perceive and interact with the world. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If you're surrounded by toxic people or constant drama, it's not just bad luck. It's a reflection of something within you, something unresolved, unaddressed, or avoided. Asterisk 2. Escaping the blame game. Asterisk, now I know what you're thinking. So, everything's my fault? Even when people hurt me? Not exactly. This isn't about blame, it's about accountability. The world doesn't happen to you, it responds to you. If you're carrying resentment, fear, or insecurity, the world mirrors those back in the form of difficult relationships, missed opportunities, or unfulfilling circumstances. This isn't about excusing bad behavior or tolerating abuse. It's about recognizing patterns. Why do certain types of people keep showing up in your life? Why do you keep ending up in similar situations? The common thread is you. Asterisk 3. Why we see what we see. Asterisk, the Hermetic principle teaches us that our perception of reality is filtered through our inner world. Here's how it works. Beliefs create reality. If you believe the world is a hostile place, you'll subconsciously focus on evidence that supports that belief. Energy attracts energy. If you radiate confidence, you attract people and opportunities aligned with that energy. Conversely, if you project insecurity, you attract challenges that reinforce it. Patterns reflect habits. The way you think, feel, and act on a daily basis shapes what you experience. A negative thought pattern leads to a negative reality. Asterisk 4. Breaking the cycle, the power of awareness. Asterisk, so, how do you escape this endless cycle of mirroring? It starts with awareness. Identify the pattern. Ask yourself, what's showing up in my life right now? Chaos, rejection, loneliness? Write it down. Trace it back. Look within. What thoughts, beliefs, or behaviors might be contributing to this? Be brutally honest with yourself. Challenge the belief. If you believe, I'm not good enough, ask yourself, where did this belief come from? Is it true? Or is it just a story you've been telling yourself? Asterisk 5. The inner shift, changing the reflection. Asterisk, the mirror only changes when you do. Here's how to start shifting your inner world. Cultivate gratitude. Focus on what's good in your life. Gratitude shifts your energy and attracts more positivity. Set clear intentions. Be deliberate about what you want to see in your life. Your inner clarity creates outer alignment. Practice emotional hygiene. Let go of resentment and grudges. These emotions only weigh you down and reflect negativity back to you. Invest in growth. Read, learn, meditate, and reflect. The more you grow internally, the more your external world evolves with you. Asterisk 6. The excuse trap, when the mirror becomes a crutch. Asterisk, let's address a common trap. Using the as within, so without principle as an excuse. It's easy to say, well, my life is a mess because the world is a mess, or I act this way because of how others treat me. But the truth is, blaming the mirror doesn't change the reflection. Complaining about your circumstances only reinforces them. Change starts when you stop making excuses and start taking responsibility for your energy, mindset, and choices. Asterisk 7. The empowering truth. Asterisk, here's the most liberating part of this principle. If your reality reflects your inner world, then you have the power to change it. Think of it like this. Your inner world is the projector, and your life is the screen. If you don't like the movie you're watching, change the film. Shift your thoughts, heal your wounds, and rewrite your story. Asterisk. Conclusion. The path to mastery. Asterisk. The principle of as within, so without isn't just a philosophical idea. It's a practical tool for personal growth. When you take responsibility for your inner world, you gain control over your outer world. When you shift your mindset, your reality follows. And when you stop blaming the mirror and start embracing the power of transformation, you step into a life of purpose, clarity, and alignment. If this resonated with you, share this video and subscribe for more journeys into timeless wisdom. Let me know in the comments, what inner changes will you make to transform your reality? Remember, the power is always within you. Thank you for watching.